Let us discuss the meaning of public administration. The word administer is derived from the two Latin words, one ad and second ministrare, which means to manage. Therefore, administration means management of affairs. It can be public or private. Let us see what is public administration. It means the study of the process of government. It has been used in two senses. A narrow sense, B wider sense. In the narrow sense, it includes only the executive branch of the government. And in the broader sense, it includes the activities of all the three branches of government, that is legislature, executive and judiciary. Let us see what is private administration. It is the study of non-government sectors. For example, business organizations, NGOs, private companies, corporation, etc. Nature of public administration. Two views have been expressed by thinkers. First one, integral view. It includes all persons from top to bottom in an organization, that is managerial, clerical, technical and manual staff. Let us take, for example, in an educational institution, it is the management members, the principal, the vice principals, senior and junior teachers, senior and junior clerks, peons, watchmen and sweepers. Second, managerial view. It includes only the top persons in an organization, that is the managerial staff. Let us take, for example, in an educational institution, management members, principal, vice principal and a few senior teachers. Let us see the definition of public administration. There are many definitions. I'm just giving you two. The first one by Woodrow Wilson. Quotation: public administration is a detailed and systematic execution of public law. Every particular application of general law is an act of administration. Luther Gulick: public administration is that part of the science of administration which has to do with government and thus concern itself primarily with the executive branch where the work of the government is done. Scope of public administration. Luther Gulick and Lyndall Urwick, in their management paper Notes on the Theory of Organization, published in the year 1937, coined the acronym POSDCORB. The 7 steps of administration are as follows. First, planning. The first step in administration is planning, where broad outline is prepared and the methods or ways for achieving the objectives are also planned. For example, the Prime Minister presents his vision for the upcoming year at a meeting of the Cabinet Ministers. Second, organizing. A well-organized machinery is established to achieve the planned objective. For example, the concerned minister of a particular department, along with his chief secretary, points out the areas for development and arranges for monetary resources and technology to achieve the objectives. Third, staffing. Staff is the backbone of an administrative system. The procedure of recruitment and training of staff is outlined. For example, written exams and interviews are conducted, after which the staff is recruited and trained for their respective job. Fourth, directing. Administration is a continuous process. So, taking decisions and giving specific instructions to the staff to achieve the goals in a time-bound manner is the function of an administrator. For example, the Chief Secretary gives instructions and guides his juniors to achieve their targets in a time-bound framework. Fifth, coordinating. The various departments need to coordinate so that there is no overlapping of work. For example, the minister of a particular department coordinates with his colleagues who belong to other departments in order to avoid overlapping of work and misuse of resources. Sixth, reporting. It is necessary to report the progress of work at various levels to the higher authorities. For example, the juniors at all levels report the progress of their work to their superiors. This ensures responsibility and accountability. Seventh, budgeting. Finance is the lifeblood of an organization. The budget is prepared and allocated to departments to carry out their work. For example, the finance minister prepares the budget, allocates funds to different departments as per their requirements to carry out their work. Thus, the administrator should follow these 7 steps to carry on the affairs of the organization.